Good morning, y'all. Old Justin here. I hope all y'all get up and have a good day today. Get up, be thankful. Get your day started. Um, it's 4 o'clock now. I wanted to tell y'all about my morning routine. I frame built houses, and for the past 4 or 5 years, I've gotten up at between 3 and 4 o'clock, and I like to get a shower and then go to the gym. I like to be there by 5, and then I work out in the morning. But I want to go through my routine with you. I'll show you how that anybody could do it. People want to talk about I didn't got time to go to the gym and this and that. Well, I don't even have to use an alarm clock, y'all. It's very easy. If you start going to bed at the same time every day, get up at the same time, you won't need an alarm clock no more. I go to bed between 8:30 and 9 o'clock, and I automatically get up between 3 and 4 every day, depending on how tired I am. I wake up, thank you, Lord, say my blessings, get the day going. I like to listen to the Bible in the morning. But that's my routine, and I want to finish drying off and getting ready, y'all. And when I get to the gym, I'll show y'all what I do, and I want to try to start showing y'all every day. But we don't need all these supplements that they give y'all, or that everybody tries to take. I take some creatine, I take my vitamins, and that's about it, y'all. And, like I said, I used to be over 200 pounds. I've lost a lot of weight. I ain't tried to get big or nothing. I just want to be in shape and make it easy for my day. But, y'all, I'm sorry. And I'm no better than anybody else. If I could do it, y'all could do it. And let me finish getting ready, and I'll be back on for long. Thank y'all. Have a good morning. Oh yeah, just so y'all can see, I don't even have a daggone alarm clock, but I'll show you what time it is on my. That says 3:08, which that's still an hour behind, y'all. I don't even need a damn clock. All right, y'all have a good morning. I'll see y'all directly. I just wanted to prove that to you. All right, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. I got to the gym about 5, and I done started working out. I forgot, like I told you, I'll record for y'all this morning what I do. But first thing I like to do, I get on the treadmill. I like to do a mile every morning, and I do anywhere from 10% to 12% uphill, sometimes 15%. But that's my good workout. And then I like to go to farmer's carries. And today's back day, so real quick, I want to flip it over there on the other side, and I want carries for y'all. I like to go down there and back. Like I said, all this is new to me, so I'm trying to do good as far as the recording stuff. There won't be no editing or anything. These farmer carries are really good for you. Just take your time and go. It's one of my favorite workouts. Those will get you right there, boys. I need to get some powder on my hand. I usually like to do about 3 sets of those. And when I get through with that, we'll go next door and I'll do some rows, lat pull downs, some pull ups, and it'd be back day. But y'all let me know what y'all think. It ain't no better than anybody else. If I can get up, come out here in the morning before I go frame, y'all can do the same thing. God bless y'all and have a good day.